Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will first verify prerequisites: Vault version, plugin build, and OS dependencies so the plugin behaves reliably. Start by placing the plugin binary in Vault's plugin directory and setting executable permissions. This ensures Vault can load it. Once done, compute and register the plugin checksum in Vault's plugin catalog and create the plugin stanza in the configuration. These steps prevent signature or mismatch errors and prepare Vault to enable the plugin securely. You now enable and configure the plugin inside Vault. Use the Vault CLI to enable the plugin at a chosen path, then attach least privilege policies and roles so components only access needed secrets. Configure plugin-specific options, such as connection strings, TTL, or backends, to match your security posture. Once configured, exercise the plugin with a minimal API call and a short-lived token to validate integration. If that works, gradually expand access and monitor logs to confirm stable operation. You finish by promoting the plugin configuration, rotating any Bootstrap credentials, and documenting the operational runbook. Make sure audit logging and metrics are enabled so you can detect misbehavior quickly. If something goes wrong, disable the plugin path and reproduce the failure in a sandbox. Then check Vault logs for checksum, permission, or policy errors. As a key troubleshooting tip, always verify the plugin checksum and file owner. Mismatches are the most common cause of load failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.